Hello! We are the representatives of SISA, SNU International Student Association, under the Office of International Affairs. My name is Tanya.
And I'm Umayma.
Have you ever had a problem with borrowing books from SNU library?
If you do, we are here to help you to solve your problem. Throughout this video, we're gonna give you some advices and essential tips on how to use the libraries, how to borrow and return a book on the locations of 10 libraries on the SNU campus.
Let's start with borrowing book from the Central Library. The Central Library is located in the middle of our beloved Gwanak campus. And also there is Gwangjong Library right behind the Central Library.
Now we are here in front of the Central Library, and you can also see the Gwangjong Library building right behind us.
Before you enter the library, do not forget to check your temperature.
And to prove your identity as an SNU student, you need to tap your S-Card or mobile S-Card on the library gate.
The Central Library has 6 floors, included with underground floor B1 and B2 that have reading rooms. Here is the guide for each floor.
The opening hours of each section are different, and we suggest you check the opening hours through the library website, library.snu.ac.kr, before visiting the library.
If you look around the library, there are several computers where you can look up the book you are finding on the library homepage. The books in the Central Library stacks are organized by their call numbers, which are found in the catalog and on the book's spine. It's like the address of your book.
When searching the library catalog, make sure you write down the complete call number before going to the book stack. Next, refer to the locator signage to find on which floor is your book located. Since every book stack has signage of its call number range, you can easily locate the book on the right shelf.
If you don't want to make a fuss finding a book, you can just simply request your book via the library homepage and pick it up at the requested books section on the 2nd floor of the Central Library. Remember, you still have to go through the borrowing process properly. So once you found your book, how can you borrow it?
You can use the self-service machine. There's an English option too. First, touch the checkout button on the screen. Then tap your S-Card on the card reader located on your right. You can also use mobile S-Card here. Next, enter your PIN number, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. Last but not least, place your books on the scan bed in order to finish the checkout process. Now you're done.
For your information, undergraduate students can borrow up to 15 books for 14 days, and graduate students are allowed to borrow up to 30 books for 30 days. It is very important to return your books on a due date. If you don't return your books on time, the library will charge daily overdue fines.
I see. So how can we return the books?
There are automatic return machines on the 1st and 2nd floor of Central Library. The return machines on the 1st floor are available 24 hours per 7 days. You can also return books at the branch libraries, no matter where you borrowed the books. There is a language option with the globe icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Open button on the screen and place your book inside the machine. Then you are done. Also, you don't need your S-Card to return books.
That's great! Are there any other libraries on the campus?
Other than the Central Library, there are 7 other branch libraries on the Gwanak campus, such as Law Library, Business Library, and Social Sciences Library. Furthermore, Dental Library and Medicine Library are located on the Yonggon Medical Campus.
I think we have covered briefly all the information related to how to borrow a book from the SNU library. We hope that it was helpful for you.
Thank you for watching this video until the end, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye!